Hello guys and welcome back to our Honda Unicorn restoration project. These are the after shots after painting of our 2008 Honda Unicorn, which was back then in a flame red limited edition color. We have painted it with metallic black and flow coated with HS clear. And this is the final video and this is the final output that you are seeing. It's really been a great work for us actually seeing this bike restored to a pristine condition after almost 15 years makes us more happier than ever. If you guys haven't seen the previous condition of the bike, a 10-minute painting video has already been uploaded to our channel. Please do check it out and do compare it with the present and the previous situation of the bike. And please do let me know in the comment section how good of a work that we have done to this bike. And it was a great work. We enjoyed a lot working with this Honda, bringing back the shine and the life that it had when it was just out of the showroom 15 years ago. And actually it looks more meaner in this pure black metallic finish along with the chrome inserts that was already in the bike from the beginning. Anyways, it was a great pleasure working in this Honda and showcasing it to you all auto enthusiasts. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share and do support our channel. This is gonna be our next video, an Avenger restored to a pristine condition. And please don't forget to subscribe and let us grow more and further with all your support.